Such a big boss county. And this is Geelong. We are excited. Start the grill. Here, when it comes to grilled lobster, we eat the leftover long-gone monkey. Although there is not much meat left, it cannot be wasted. It can be used. We put the long-gone monkey in the pot. We use bamboo shoots to insert these long-gone monkeys. Then add some pine needles and boil it. In this way, our bait is ready. Let's take it and place it. Yes, there are many sand ponds underneath this spot. We will throw the bait down.
This weather is really very hot. Come on. First, let's pick up the net and take it.
I take it out.
All right, got 2 rocher shrimp and 1 tilapia fish. Let's take this home. This day is very joyous.
It is very hot. These are 2 raw shrimp and 1 tilapia fish. Let's put them here first. Let's go down and try our luck. When we dive down around the coral area, some snails and shells are often hidden. There could also be very large lobsters here. As soon as we entered the water, we found a bag. So we found a bag and saw a sea snail in the distance. It seems today is a lucky day. As soon as we entered the water, we found a bag and a sea snail. Then we put it in the water pit and go down again. The second time we went down, we found a coconut snail on the coral wall. We took it as well. They are especially hidden underwater. We have to look carefully. Look, another crab just appeared. Another abalone was found at this spot. I am taking it out. Its size is not small either. Look, ahead there's a conch hidden as well. We moved to the edge from it. Today's venture was a bit ordinary. I decided to take another dive, but suddenly I saw a tiger shell trying to burrow with full force into the sand. In such an urgent situation, we need to accelerate our pace. We must act precisely and swiftly at the right moment to catch it. Otherwise, if it burrows into the sand, it will disappear.
Such a large tiger fin today, we made a profit. And so much more seagulls. This shellfish also doesn't have much meat. People leave it.
Let's go, one said. Oh, a big abalone. I'll catch and roast it. Yes, come on, jump. Let's roast these first and fill our stomachs. We can roast such a big tiger, crab, and scorpion conch on the fire. Let's roast this patty and sea snails too. Let's roast this abalone and there is a crab too. This is almost cooked. Now we eat. These coconut shells, we cook them so they can be for dinner and breakfast. We took a picture of this old thing. Yes, wow, so much yellow. Yes, look.